vlogs. I have a Q-Boy Vlogs channel, but I haven't posted nothing yet, so I'm vlogging in this channel. My dog has cancer, and that's what I am upset at. Get out! Get out, Bailey. Stop. Look at him. He's upset. And, he's hurt. Get out the way. He's upset. He's very sick. He has, his stomach hurts. He has cancer. He's skinny. He wasn't skinny. So, they were, gonna operate him today. My mom said no, because, if he dies, we wanted to say goodbye. So, if he dies, get out the way! If you die, I just want to say goodbye. And have a fun time up there. Oh, in heaven. Have a good time. Have a good time with your brother, huh? But if you survive, I hope. You sure? Oh my God. I hope if you survive. Oh my God, I'm gonna wish you a good luck. And I'm gonna wish you a happy time. Alright guys. Please go up. Oh yeah, please you like, subscribe, and post notification that you know whenever I upload videos. And see you guys. Peace out.